Instagram, how to add multiple photos to story. So let's say you want to add multiple photos to your Instagram story and create a collage. There are many ways to do this. The most simpler way is by simply basically opening up your story and going to this cam icon and selecting this option called layout. So you can tap this layout option and choose a layout that you prefer, and from there you can simply choose a photo, but this is very basic and not really what you might desire. So I will give you a second alternative. So first, again, go to your story, just tap on this camera icon and just select any background of your choice. So you could select a filter background or anything. So this will act as our background. You can also choose a custom image if you want. Now what we will do is we want to add a custom image on top of it. To do so, we can tap on the stickers icon from here and we can tap on this photo sticker. From the photo sticker, now we can simply select the photos that we want like this, and we can just tap on it to change the shape and sizes like this. So whichever size fits you, you can just drag it across and add it there. Now repeat it for all the images that you might want to add. So you can add a second one as well. So depending upon how much ever you want to add, you can go ahead and add that as well. And once you have your desired changes, you can simply upload it. This way you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.